Hello everyone, we are the students of the next generation school, Wukair Primary. My name is Aashir Siddiqui.
My name is Zahhaak.
Our national scientific research topic for this year is Micromuncher, the microplastic cleaning marvel.
This Micromuncher collects microplastics from ocean which harm the ocean environment.
When there are so many researches on plastics, why did we choose to focus on microplastic again? Because microplastics are the tiny troublemakers we can't see, but they are everywhere. Scientists have studied big plastic pollution, but these tiny bits sneak into our water, food, and even the air we breathe. If we don't stop them now, they will keep harming animals, nature, and even us. That's why we chose microplastics, because even the smallest things can cause big problems, and we want to be the ones to fix it. Qatar, a country surrounded by the sea and desert, is particularly vulnerable to high plastic consumption and extreme weather conditions. Microplastics spread through the wind, sandstorms, and ocean currents. Fish mistake them for food, birds unknowingly feed them to their chicks, and they even find their way to our food, air, and water. Scientists have made discovery that microplastics present in our bloodstreams, lungs, and other organs, raising serious concerns about long-term health risks. Suggested solutions are that we can place some filters in the sewage systems which will prevent the plastic from going in the ocean. We can also make sponges from algae which will absorb the plastic and not harm the marine environment. The best possible solution that we came up with was the Micromuncher.
Our next stage is Imagine. Strict policies enforced by the government raise awareness amongst people through products that contain microplastic. Raise awareness in schools through workshops. Create the Micromuncher, a microplastic cleaning device which efficiently reduces microplastics from marine environment. This took us to our next stage, Do. We started with some research work. A survey was conducted among teachers and parents to understand their awareness about microplastics. We visited Seashore, a plastic cleaning company, to understand how this problem could be mitigated efficiently and beautifully.
We organized a community engagement where we had a guest speaker from Qatar Laboratories who explained the harmful effects of plastic and suggested ways to improvise the Micromuncher. Lastly, we worked and reworked on the Micromuncher and it was with very good effect. Our final stage was Share. We shared our research findings with our school community and explained the need to reduce the use of plastic products. We tested our Micromuncher model and showed it's working with our school community.
The Micromuncher was built using a combination of lightweight and sturdy materials. A plastic body frame housed the V5 geared motors, which were secured using screws and double-sided tape. A foam board structure was assembled with glue and hot gun silicone for stability. A PVC pipe was used for structural support, while wood board 1 mm and wood pieces added to reinforcement. The cloth mesh formed a conveyor belt driven by the motors. Steel wire were shaped into an antenna and cable wires connected to the motors to the circuit board. Power was supplied using 9V batteries and adapters, while buttons were installed on a remote control for operation. Propellers were attached to aid movement, ensuring smooth function. This careful construction resulted in a functional and efficient Micromuncher.